Hi guys, I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy natural look. First I'm going to go in with my Covergirl concealer. And just pat it along. This is a natural tutorial. Just put the concealer underneath my eyes. Next I'm going to go to my Stila eyeshadow Kitten. Underneath the brow bone. Now you don't need to do the brows for this look. I just already have them done. When I wore this look the other day, I didn't even do my eyebrows. Next I'm going to go into my beige Cosmetics Luxe Warm to Go 6 color eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this brown shade right here. Put it in the outer edge. And then I'm going into the pinky shade right here on the top. I'm going to make sure it's all blended. I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see that you can barely see it. Next, I'm going to go back into my Stila eyeshadow Kitten because I like doing the inner corner highlight. Then I'm going to go into my Colourpop Cream Gel Liner and Get Paid. Then I'm going to go into my Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara in black. And then next I'm going to with my Mary Kay lip gloss in pink Parfait. And there you go, that's a complete look, which you can do in about 10 minutes if you decide to do your eyebrows. I didn't the last time I did this look, and I loved it. However, I'm still loving it with this look. I'll bring you in closer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy.